So today we're going to be talking about cause and effect. Have you heard that before? No? Okay. So a cause and effect means that the cause is something that happens that causes something else to happen. Does that make sense? So one thing happens, and because that happened, another thing happens. Does that make sense? So, for example, if you push a power button on a computer, what happens?
It turns on.
It turns on, yeah. So what was the cause?
When you put your button, it starts to turn on.
Yeah, so pushing the button was the cause, and the effect was?
It turns
So it
on.
turned on, right, okay. So, today we're going to do some little science experiments that'll show this, okay? So the different ones I have is this one. We can make some gooey, slimy stuff. This is milk, and we can make colors go really pretty in it. And we can poke a straw into a potato. And this one, these are raisins. We can make raisins dance. And this one will be a little explosion type thing. Okay, and we can do them in whatever order you want, whichever ones you want to do.
I'll do this.
You want to do this one first? Okay. So here's the milk. Have you used food dye before?
I heard the name, but I never done it.
You never used it? Okay. So, you have to be kind of careful with it because it can stain stuff. So what I want you to do is just take these different colors and put a couple of drops around the edges in the milk. Yeah. Yep. So just, yeah, put a couple of drops right there with that one. Maybe like 5. Just squeeze that. Can you get it out? Yep. Okay. Awesome. Now choose another color. Okay. And do it maybe like on the other side over here. Okay. And you can do the other colors too if you want. Just on the other edges. Okay. Do you want to do the blue too? Or is that all you want? Awesome. Okay. So see how they're all just sitting there by themselves? I want you to take this soap and squirt it right in the middle of the bowl. Do you see what's happening with the colors? That's probably enough. See how they're all mixing together? Isn't that cool? Okay, so in this one, what did you do that made something else happen?
So when you put the paint in, then you put the soap in. So when you put the paint in, then the soap, and then the soap start to make all the colors up to make that green.
Yeah, so putting the soap in was the cause, right? And the effect was?
It mixed it up.
Yeah, good job. That was awesome. All right. Which one do you want to do next?
We'll do this one.
That one? Okay. So for this one, I need you to put a couple of raisins, maybe like 5, in the bottom of each cup. Alright, awesome. So now, pour the water into one of the cups. You don't have to pour all of it, but however much you want. Okay, do you see anything happening to the raisins? They're just sitting there, huh? Yeah, okay. So now take this and pour it into this cup, and you can pour most of it in, or all of it. Just keep going. Okay. So now we watch the raisins for a minute. Maybe put a little bit more in.
Should I do a little bit more?
Yeah, maybe just pour it all in. Alright. Now they should start doing what they're supposed to do. Maybe we need to wait a minute on this one.
I see the bubbles coming out of the raisins.
Yeah, the bubbles are coming up right now. It's not doing what it's supposed to do. Oops, maybe this one isn't gonna work.
Are the raisins supposed to float?
Yeah, so the raisins are supposed to come up and then fall back down.
They did.
They're supposed to
Normally,
look
the
like
one
they're
just
dancing.
soda in, it went like this.
Yeah, they did. Oh yeah, did you see how that one moved a little bit? Okay, yeah. Maybe, you know what, let's start another experiment. And let's just sit this here and watch and see if you see that it happens, okay?
Oh, there's something new. Outside
Oh
it's
yeah, look how
blue.
cool that one is.
It's kind of like a rainbow.
Yeah, it looks like a rainbow, doesn't it? All right. Should we do another one while we're
Sure.
waiting? Okay, which one? The slime? This one's fun. Okay. First of all, do you want colored slime or just clear slime?
If you want to do color.
Okay. Which color? Blue. Okay, so put a couple of drops of the blue in the water here. Okay.
Change it to blue.
Yeah, water change. Perfect. Okay. Pour the water in there. Mix it up. Get it all its little parts.
I'm trying to go all the way to the bottom.
Yeah, that's good. You can even use your hand. I think that would be easier.
Getting a little slimy,
It
right?
is getting slimy, yeah. Maybe can you get this in the corner here? See if there's some there. Yeah. Try to get it.
Okay, are we ready for this? It's gonna do a little countdown, and it'll have a.
Looks like this one isn't working now.
Yeah, it is working. I'm gonna mix it with my hands a little bit. I think we need a little bit. Yeah, put just a little bit of that water.
of liquid.
Yeah. Okay. So with this one, what do you think the cause is? The cause and
So
effect.
when you put this in, so when you put the water and put this in, you can't see any white.
Yeah.
It stays blue.
Yeah, that is a good cause and effect. So what about when you put your finger in slowly?
It goes through liquid.
Yeah. And what happens when you put your finger in fast?
It turns hard.
It turns hard. So the cause would be that you put your finger in fast.
And slow.
Yeah, and the effect would be the different things. Okay, do you want to wash your hands? Okay, let's wash our hands real quick. Can you reach up here? All clean? Okay.
And under there, it kind of turns green.
It did from the dye that we put in, huh? Okay, let's see. Do we have paper towels?
They have them over here.
Oh, over here. And dry your hands off. So what's the cause and effect with this?
So when you wipe the hand, like that said, that comes out. It turns
Yeah.
out.
Yeah, exactly.
The computer one, when you press the button, it turns it on.
Yep.
You record your hand moving, like when you press the button and record the button.
Yep, exactly right. There's garbages around here. Okay. Awesome. All right, we have two more. The raisins never did anything, did they? You know what? Sometimes science experiments don't work. Okay, do you want to do the potato or the explosion? The potato one? Okay. So just take the straw and see if you can push it in there. Oh, it's hard, huh?
Try to find a soft space.
Okay. Now,
Kind of made a hole.
we did kind of. Okay, I have a secret. Do you want to know the secret way to do it? Hold it like this and put your thumb over the top. Do you see it? Yeah. Yeah, now try to push it in. Oh, maybe it's... Is it still... You know what? I think the straw got bent. Let me get a different straw.
You can make it longer with when you pull this.
Try with this one that's not bent. Put your thumb over the top again.
Kind of making a circle.
Yeah, there. Do you want me to try? Okay. So you put your thumb over the top. Good. Oh, these straws aren't very good apparently. Oh, there we go. So we couldn't do it when our thumb wasn't over the top, right? But then when I put my thumb on the top, we could do it. So what was the cause and effect in that one?
So when you go like this, it starts to hold the potatoes and it starts to let it touch in. So when you don't put your thumb over it, go in.
Yeah, so putting our thumb over.
It kind of like juice. When you put in the juice, you hold your thumb on, then it comes right up with the straw.
Yeah, it does do that, doesn't it? That is a good point. All right, ready for the last one?
Yep. The explosion.
This one. Okay. I'm gonna open this for you. So this is vinegar. So it might be a little stinky. Okay, so all you have to do in this one is pour this in there.
so when you shake it up, it's raised right now.
Yeah, it is. So what was the cause and effect in that one?
So when I peel it barely put it started to go out really fast and came out the side. Like so when you put the vinegar on, then you pour this in there, it starts to explode.
Yeah. So the cause was pouring it in. And what was the effect?
It's this explode.
Exploded. Yeah. Good job.
They're not working.
I know this one never worked. I'm sorry about that. I tried it last night and it worked. I don't know what happened. What was supposed to happen was the raisins were supposed to come up and look like they were dancing. Because see all the bubbles in it?
Yeah.
So the bubbles would surround the raisin and make it lift up. And then they would pop and it would fall back down.
But it's actually just go, all the bubbles are just staying up. That's why it's not going up.
Yeah, it didn't work. But that's all right. Okay, so can you think of some cause and effect things in life? We talked about a computer. What are some other things?
When you put food coloring in something like food or whatever, when you put it in, it starts to change a color.
Yeah. What about baking? Have you ever baked a cake or cookies?
Yeah, with my mom.
Yeah. So what happens when you put them in the oven?
When you just barely have it, it's really slimy. But when you put it in, it starts to rise up. It starts to get harder.
Yeah. So that's cause and effect, right? Okay. How about some things with other people? Like what happens if your mom tells you to do something and you don't do it?
So when she tells you to do something and she doesn't do it, that's an effect. Like if you don't do something your mom says, it becomes an effect. Even if you don't know what you did.
Yeah.
Like you're in a habit of it.
Yeah. So what would the effect of that be? Like would it make your mom sad if you didn't listen to her?
And bad.
Yeah. So would that be the effect? Okay, so what if your mom asked you to do something and you did do it?
The effect would be like when you do something for your mom, they even told you to do it. If you would do it for your mom, even if she didn't say that, it would be a good effect.
And how would it make your mom feel?
So,
She would be so happy. How about, let's see, what if you did something really nice for Bryce while he was at school? What do you think the effect of that would be?
it would be doing something.
Yeah, so that would be the cause. So what would the effect on Bryce be if you did something nice?
Happy
You
inside.
would feel happy. Yeah, that's right. Let's see, can you think of anything else that shows cause and effect?
Two, okay. Right, the scores.
When you cook something on the stove. So like when your mom goes to the door to go in, somebody, when you don't even know it's hot, you keep doing it, start to burn your hand.
Yeah, that's a good one. So the cause is that it's hot, right? And the effect is that it burns your hand. You touch it. Yep. All right. Well, I think that's everything. Unless you have any questions or anything else you want to talk about.
That's good.
That's good. All right. Well, thank you. I think we're all done.